All right, guys, I am back in Two Rivers and at Pulte Homes with Jessica because she has a brand new model to show us. We kind of did a sneak peek in our last video of this model, but there was no furnishings, and so it was, it was all right, but she said the furnishings are so impressive that we had to come back and do an update video. Jessica, can you tell us a little bit about this series and this model?
Yeah, absolutely. So this is our new Platinum series here at Two Rivers. We are the first in the Tampa division to ever do anything like this. They're all built on 70-foot home sites in our new Hammock Village here at Two Rivers. All have amazing views, lots of options, lots of different floor plans. But today we're going to take a look at our Sanibel model, which is one of the largest you can get. All
right, and before we go in and see that, I want to point out something because this I didn't notice last time.
What?
This is a garage, right?
Yeah.
So this is a garage,
yeah.
And there's windows, big windows into the garage. Can you kind of explain that thought process to me?
Yeah, so all of our elevations here, which we have several for the Sanibel, they all do have this feature window on the one-car garage because it is a split 3-car plan, so very unique. Some of them do have shutters that go over them. This one you can see is a little bit more open because this is our modern elevation, so really great place to show off like maybe an old car or a sports car or just something you want to show off like your car.
Yeah.
Well, get the SERHANT in the window.
I know. Yeah, that would be good. It's like a billboard on in my house.
Absolutely.
And also, so this has kind of got that unfinished look. Is this how it's going to come, or is there stucco that's going over this brick look?
Yes, we're actually still finalizing some key points on the elevation, but this is our modern elevation. So this one's a little bit more, minimal, modern, clean lines. We do also have some more craftsman style, Mediterranean style, and even a farmhouse elevation. So lots of different styles to fit everyone's taste.
All right, yeah, that makes sense. Okay. Yeah. So again, yeah, guys, 3 cars. It's separated, so you got 2 over there, 1 over here. That one doesn't have any windows. This one has the windows. Make sure you keep your garage clean or get the shutters or something. But yeah, let's go take a look inside. I'm really excited to see this.
Come on in.
Oh, wow.
What do you think?
Yeah.
The staircase.
Yeah, this is impressive. Yeah. There's a lot of tape on the walls. I'm going to point that out because, that just means somebody's come through. They found some imperfections. They got to do some, final touch-ups before.
That's our quality check. We like to make sure everything's in tip-top shape before opening.
Yeah. All right. Well, let's take a look around.
Let's do it.
All right, Jessica. So, obviously it is a lot different with all the furniture in here and everything. You can kind of imagine how you would live. That wasn't an option before. We got stools in the kitchen. Can you tell us a little bit about what separates this series versus the other series, especially when it comes to the kitchen area and the living space?
Yeah, for sure. So our Platinum series, all the homes are automatically going to be starting off at a slightly elevated included features lineup compared to even some of our other homes in here that we sell, which are already, above the standard for most builders, I would say. So you're going to be getting level 2 floors included as opposed to level 1, level 3 cabinets, gourmet built-in kitchen, higher ceiling heights. So we're already starting off really at the top with this one, so there's not much more to go, and you're not going to have to spend a ton on upgrades to make it look, awesome.
Okay, cool. And one of the things that stood out to me the most is this refrigerator.
Yeah. You like to cook?
Yeah. I mean, I like to eat, but I don't know about cooking. But you could fit a lot of food in there. So this would be how big, and is this an upgrade?
It is, yeah. We have a few different fridge options. So usually a standard fridge opening is about 36 inches wide. This is our 48-inch option. We do have a few new fridges in our new lineup that we beefed up specifically to launch the Platinum series here. So this is going to be one of the new things that you'll see in the Pulte Design Center.
Kind of jumps out at me is the height of these cabinets is that coming with the home? Is that because the high ceilings?
So we have the ceilings, as you can see, they are right there under the 12-foot mark. So these are higher than our already high 10-foot ceilings that you see on a lot of our other models. This option that you're seeing is the stacked cabinet option, which we offer on actually all series here at Two Rivers and Pulte. The cabinets standard for most of our plans would be about 36 inches. When you do the built-in kitchen appliance setup, it goes to 42. And then the a la carte option is the cabinets above, the smaller ones you're seeing. They do come in a glass or a solid door style, but it just really elevates it and kind of brings your eye up. So that's probably why you're noticing how high they are.
Yeah, they're very high.
Yeah.
Even above the hood there, that's like a full 42-inch cabinet above that. Now, what about the crown molding and stuff? Is that something that's going to be included in this package?
Yeah, so the cabinets do come, like when you do the higher cabinet style, it does come with a certain style molding, but there are a couple different options for what you can choose. But you're not going to have to pay for the molding on top of that.
Oh, okay. So. All right, very cool. Anything else that I noticed there's an opening right now for another oven.
Another oven.
However, you have two here on the built-ins.
So yeah, that's the microwave and oven over there. The microwave looks like an oven. It does have a setting on it. I believe you can do a few different cooking settings, but the true oven that you would use for baking or anything like that is going to be the one underneath that's larger. And then we do have the a la carte option in all of our plans to add a second oven beneath the cooktop there.
All right, Jessica, one of the other things that's really, really impressive about this is all the light, the natural light that comes in.
I know, right?
I mean, you see this huge thing of windows here. You say that's standard?
New and standard, yeah, with the transoms above. Really brings in a lot of light into that area there in the corner.
Okay, and then obviously you come into this
This is our zero
big
corner.
zero corner. Is that what you said? Zero corner?
Yeah, this is an optional feature on this plan, very popular one, but it is what we call a zero corner slider. So the two doors do go behind the wall pretty much all the way so that the whole wall and room opens up, and you can, when it's cooler weather and, maybe even like when the sun's setting back there over the lake, you can really enjoy the indoors and outdoors with your family.
Yeah, this definitely changes things. It opens things up, and being able to come in from different angles off of the dining area and that's not your formal dining room, but that's like your kitchen nook, breakfast nook.
Sure, breakfast nook.
Right, and you could come right out, and I mean,
get the steaks off the grill, bring them in. Don't have to open the door.
Right, and I think with these high ceilings, and then you have the windows up there, those port windows, which are much bigger than port windows, but it's bringing in a ton of light into the space.
Yeah,
which is great. People love that.
Yeah, absolutely.
Wow, Jessica, this master is huge.
Pretty, right? Don't you feel like you're at like a hotel?
Yeah, it is. It is kind of, you got the sitting area and everything. Is this the biggest one you have in the collection?
No, I mean, obviously it's already very large with the sitting room over there and everything, but there is an option to extend this, which would add quite a bit of square footage to the home as well. So
you can extend this?
Yeah.
You can extend this room.
Yeah, if those two chaise lounges aren't enough for you, you could put like a whole sectional. You get like 4 TVs up on the wall to watch your Eagles lose.
Yeah, well, not my Eagles, but wow, that is amazing because this is already so big. And is this? I mean, high ceilings, everything. This must be the master bath?
Yeah, this is your bath.
Okay.
Double doors.
Wow, okay. Let's take a look at that. So you got this. You got the single tub.
Yes,
right?
There's a few options here too. So this is the freestanding tub with the walk-in shower. There is also an option to just do all shower. But you always have your split vanities, which I think is a really great feature. I think a lot of husbands and wives can appreciate that one. So especially the wives.
Yeah, I guess so. So, I mean, is that an art feature behind it, or are we just not done?
We're still doing our paint touch-ups, just getting the lines perfect there. So next time you see us at our grand opening, everything will be perfect.
Okay, very cool. Yeah. And then over here,
more double doors.
Wow, look at this. This closet is
nice,
huge.
Right?
Oh man.
All angles, all the best ones, right?
Is that what I look like in real life?
You look great.
Yeah. No, this is very nice. Big. What about? Does this come standard?
No, so we would have like the white built, the standard white shelves. This is showcasing our partnership with Container Store. So as a Pulte homeowner for any of our series, not just the Sanibel, you get 20% off at the Container Store, and they do amazing built-ins. I have them in my home, so I can speak to it. This is one of their color options that they offer now. It's one of the newer ones, so this is just kind of showing off what a potential homeowner could have.
Oh, okay. Yeah, these are nice.
Yeah,
I
put
mean,
your
look at
watches in
that.
there.
Yeah. They even have soft clothes.
Lots
Right?
of colors and lots of accessories as well.
Very cool. Very cool. And let's. I saw there's a pass through over here. Is that right?
Yeah.
So.
So when you get all your clothes dirty, you don't have to worry about taking the hamper all the way through the home. You can just go right there.
All right, cool. Yeah, check it out. Okay. Yeah, it's a nice size. And then you got a little sitting area outside. Okay, so this is your landing space from the 2-car garage over here. And the utility closet, I'm guessing. No, it's a real closet. All right, yeah, so that's really cool that you have this walkthrough so you can get out from your master into here.
Yeah.
So we ready to go upstairs and see?
Nope, I got one more surprise for you.
You got one more surprise?
Yep, right around the corner.
What?
How do you feel about like poker speakeasy vibes?
I like poker and I like speakeasy.
All right,
so
then you're gonna love it.
What is? Oh wow.
So this is the other wing of the home here. This is our multi-gen wing guest suite. This is where you come in from the other 1-car garage. Got
Okay.
a half bath right here in case you need to go to get home. But otherwise, if you go down that way, you'll see a nice surprise around the corner.
Oh man, so this was like hidden. Like when we walked in, I didn't
Yeah.
even notice that. Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
So you have a bedroom
yeah.
and a poker room.
Yeah, bedroom, bathroom. So anyone can stay over. If you have family come in for long periods of a time, it's great. And then this is a flex room, but we did have it staged as, little speakeasy vibe, poker room. So, have a little fun over here. And
Okay, yeah, I like that. I mean, I like the whole poker room thing. You got me.
yeah, absolutely. You'll have to teach me how to
So-
play. I don't know.
Yeah.
All I know is blackjack.
But it looks like this could also be an office because you got the
Yeah.
2 glass
It's a flex room.
doors and
Yeah.
whatnot.
Mm-hmm. You do a lot of work from home. It's nice because it's away. So the sound you don't have to worry about. So
Right. And have it. So this is like almost like a mother-in-law type deal.
absolutely.
And it's separate. It's really separated from the rest of the house. I walked in and I
Totally
didn't
away.
even know this was over here.
Yeah, nice and private. All right, now we can go upstairs.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go check out the upstairs. Yeah. So no, I love these stairs because you got the
like
kind of angle on the corner
yeah,
there.
great for like prom pics or
Yeah.
Christmas family photos.
Yeah, Christmas. Speaking of that, just decorating the
Yep.
stairwell is going to be very impressive.
Absolutely.
Okay, very cool.
So quite a bit of space up here. Lots of bedrooms and even a media room.
Oh wow.
More space.
Wow,
to
this
drink
is
some beers.
really open. Yeah, more. There's another beer drinking station over
Yeah.
here. So that is a wet bar because I see the the faucet there,
Yep.
and I'm gonna assume that's an option.
It is an option, yeah,
Right.
and there is a fridge over there as well. So it is kind of nice, again, if you have family or maybe you have older kids who kids who just want to have their own space, play, they want to grab a quick water or snack or anything, they don't have to come all the way down to the kitchen. Super nice to have, or like you said, just another beer drinking station with your friends.
Yeah. So I mean, is this extra because I know a lot of times they'll put a half wall in as the standard.
This is standard, believe it or not.
This is standard?
Yeah, we're one of
Oh.
the very few builders who does that. Most charge for this.
For the iron spindles as
Iron
well?
spindles too.
Wow, okay.
Yeah.
So it makes it look so much more. I don't know if you've
know.
ever seen the difference between a half wall and these railings. This really opens it up.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, this is so every single one of them is going to be open like this. The only difference is it may not have a wet bar.
Yep, so the wet bar is optional, and then there are a few of the bedrooms that you can add. So usually it comes with 2 bedrooms and bathrooms up here, but there are the 3rd bedroom and then the media room behind me that you can add either or both. So,
Oh wow!
yeah,
All right,
you
let's check that out. Let's check out the media room.
Let's do
right?
it. So, are you a big movie fan? Movie buff?
Oh yeah, I like
Perfect then.
mobster movies. Oh, Mike would like this because Mike could put 4 TVs
Yeah,
here as
4
well.
TVs on the wall.
And if you saw our last video, you'll see Mike sacked out on the couch, wishing he was watching the Super Bowl here. No, this is great because you could put it one big screen, like a movie theater type deal,
Yeah, this is great for those rainy days, or if you're just trying to keep the kids busy, you want to put a movie on, shut the door.
All right, so yeah, is this working?
Yeah, it works. I think there's some whiskey under there if you want to make me an old fashioned.
Yeah, I wish. There is a it looks like a wine fridge down here, but it's empty, unfortunately. But anyway, thank you so much for the tour and checking out this. You were right. This is an amazing model, and I'm so glad we got one in the Tampa area.
Yep.
And especially here in Two Rivers, because this whole community is going to be awesome.
Yes.
So how can people come see it?
Well, I mean, we are open 7 days a week. If anyone's wanting to come in, we do take walk-ins. The best way to learn about pricing and incentives and see all the home sites, though, would be to make an appointment.
Yes. So they have they'll give us a private VIP tour and appointment that I highly suggest you call ahead and, specifically call me or my team members that we can come out here and we will hook up with Jessica. She'll be able to give us, her undivided attention, and we'll go through and tour the different models. Tour this model. This is a must see. So, yeah.
Make it yours.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Hope to see you guys again soon.
All right.